Hello, class. I am back. Today is Monday, April 20th. I hope you all enjoyed your week off and your Easter. I am back with our morning meeting for today. It's been a little bit, so we're going to hop right back into our new unit, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So we finished signs, we are done with signs, and our new unit is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So some of you have probably heard of the word recycle, and you might help mom or dad recycle at home. But we are going to go over what those words mean today. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are really important because they are things that help the earth. So when we talk about our first word, which is reduce, it means to use less of something. So we try to fix things instead of throwing them away, because when we throw things away, they end up in landfills and our local garbage dumps. Take shorter showers. If we take shorter showers, we use less water, which is good for our planet, and use natural resources like the sun. So other ways we can reduce, I'm gonna go over a few. We used reusable water cups and bottles. You can donate items you don't use. Turn off the water while you brush your teeth so it's not running and we save some water. Turn off the lights when you're not using them. It's important to save electricity. Turn the water off when you are done. Use both sides of the paper. That will save us some trees since paper comes from trees. So if you only use one side, just flip it over and use the other. You can carpool, you can ride a bike. You can walk, you can use public transportation, and you can bring bags with you when you go shopping. Those are some ways to reduce. The next word we are going to look at today is reuse. So reuse means to use an item again. So like I said before, you can use both sides of the paper to write. That is also reusing. You can use refillable water bottles so that you're not using the plastic ones and then throwing them away or bringing them to the store to be recycled. You can just use one of the plastic or metal water bottles and just refill them. And one thing that we are all doing now is using reusable grocery bags. So this helps us save all those plastic bags that used to be thrown away. Now, using reusable lets us use the same bag over and over again. When we reuse something, you can use both sides, use the same, or you can turn something into something else to reuse it. So I have some examples here, just with a simple can. A simple tin can that you would get maybe some vegetables out of. You can use it as a storage container for pens. You can play tin can telephone with it. You can use it as a plant holder or a bird feeder or a water cup for painting. So that one can was turned into a bunch of different things, which is a great way to reuse an item. Our next word for the day is recycle. So some of you have probably heard of the word recycle. You might recycle at home, but when you recycle, it helps the environment and the earth. So recycle means to make new items from old ones. So when we send items to our recycling plant, they will use those items and turn them into new things. So if we recycle, you can recycle paper, glass, plastic, aluminum. We can use recyclable materials to make crafts and compost leaves and yard waste. So some of the things you might recycle at home would be plastic, which is like milk containers, water bottles, your dish soap bottles, mouthwash bottles, shampoo bottles, anything that has the recycling symbol on it. We'll talk more about that at the end of the week. Paper, like newspapers, magazines, boxes, toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, and metal, which is our cans and our aluminum drink cans. So those are some of the words we are going to be talking about for the next few weeks. So I just wanted to introduce them to you today. And going into our morning center activity, easy today, we're gonna do a reduce, reuse, recycle coloring sheet. Just to get you used to seeing these words, you can color them in. She's reducing by turning off the water. He's reusing by using a shopping bag, a reusable shopping bag. And he is recycling the cardboard box and the cat food can. So reduce, reuse, and recycle. That is our new unit. Have fun with this coloring page. I'm going to post it on the Seesaw site. And I'm looking forward to seeing your work. And I will be back for religion this afternoon. Bye, guys.